Using Microsoft Teams for collaboration in 2025, the way we work and collaborate has evolved significantly, with Microsoft Teams at the forefront of digital transformation. Whether you're working in a corporate office, a hybrid setup, or entirely remotely, Microsoft Teams serves as a centralized hub for communication and teamwork. This platform integrates chat, video conferencing, file sharing, and numerous productivity tools, making it an essential tool for modern collaboration. Let's explore how Microsoft Teams is shaping collaboration in 2025. Why Microsoft Teams is the go-to collaboration tool in 2025. Microsoft Teams offers a range of powerful features that make collaboration seamless and efficient. Here are some key reasons why organizations are increasingly relying on Teams all-in-one communication. Teams combines instant messaging, video calls, and voice calls in one place. This eliminates the need for multiple apps and streamlines communication. Integration with Microsoft 365. Teams is deeply integrated with Microsoft 365 services such as Outlook, OneDrive, SharePoint, Planner, and more, providing a unified workflow experience. Cross-platform accessibility. Teams is available on desktop, web, and mobile, enabling employees to stay connected and productive from anywhere. Enhanced security and compliance. Microsoft Teams is built on Microsoft's secure cloud platform, ensuring data privacy and compliance with industry regulations. Key features of Microsoft Teams for collaboration. 1. Chat and instant messaging. The chat feature in Microsoft Teams is the foundation of real-time communication. You can create one-on-one chats or group conversations to collaborate efficiently. With rich text formatting, emojis, GIFs, and file attachments, Teams makes conversations more engaging. New in 2025, Microsoft Teams now offers AI-powered chat summaries and language translation in real time, making global collaboration more effective. 2. Channels and teams. Teams organizes communication around channels, dedicated spaces for specific topics, projects, or departments. Channels can be either standard open to all team members or private restricted to selected members. Pro tip: use channel tabs to add apps like Planner, OneNote, and Power BI for quick access to project tools and resources within the channel. 3. Video conferencing and meetings. In 2025, video conferencing remains a vital aspect of collaboration. Teams supports HD video calls, virtual backgrounds, and breakout rooms, making online meetings highly productive. Innovations for 2025: AI-based meeting recap, automatically generate meeting summaries and action points after a meeting, live transcriptions with sentiment analysis, understand the tone and sentiment of conversations in real time. 4. File sharing and collaboration. Teams integrates with OneDrive and SharePoint, enabling seamless file sharing and collaboration. Multiple users can work on the same document in real time, with all changes saved automatically in the cloud. Collaboration tip: use co-authoring in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint within Teams to boost productivity. 5. Task management and productivity tools. Teams integrates with Microsoft Planner and To-Do for task management. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress without leaving Teams. Powerful add-ons: Microsoft Lists for managing information and tracking work, Power Automate 2. Create automated workflows for repetitive tasks. Advanced features for collaboration in 2025. Microsoft Teams AI and Copilot. The introduction of Microsoft 365 Copilot has revolutionized how we work. Integrated into Teams, Copilot acts as an AI assistant that helps users summarize conversations, generate meeting notes, and even draft responses. Example use case: ask Copilot to prepare a project update presentation based on your team's chat history and shared documents. Third-party app integration. Teams supports a wide range of third-party apps, from project management tools like Trello and Asana to customer relationship management CRM tools like Salesforce. Microsoft Viva brings employee experience into Teams, offering modules like Viva Connections, Viva Learning, and Vivo Insights for well-being, development, and engagement all within Teams. Using Microsoft Teams for different business scenarios, remote work, and hybrid collaboration. Teams is the backbone of remote and hybrid work. Its video conferencing, chat, and file sharing capabilities ensure that teams stay connected and productive from any location. Project management. By integrating Planner, OneNote, and lists, Teams helps project managers and team members collaborate more effectively, track progress, and meet deadlines. Customer support and client communication. Teams can be used to connect with clients and external stakeholders through Teams meetings and shared workspaces. The guest access feature makes it easy to collaborate with external users while maintaining security. Education and training. Educational institutions leverage Teams for virtual classrooms, collaborative learning, and administrative coordination. Microsoft Teams for Education provides dedicated tools for educators and students. Tips for effective collaboration with Microsoft Teams in 2025. Create a clear channel structure. Organize channels by project, department, or topic to reduce clutter and confusion. Use it mentions, tag team members for quick responses and to ensure important messages aren't missed. Leverage AI features. Use Copilot for meeting summaries, task generation, and content suggestions. Implement a governance policy. Define guidelines for creating teams, managing permissions, and ensuring compliance. The future of collaboration with Microsoft Teams. As Microsoft Teams continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly introduce even more innovative features to enhance collaboration. The integration of AI, automation, and enhanced productivity tools makes Teams indispensable for modern businesses in 2025. By adopting Microsoft Teams as a collaboration hub, organizations can improve communication, boost productivity, and stay ahead in today's fast-paced digital world.